What's up, guys? I'm giving baby girl a badass cut.
Hey guys, so as you can tell, I haven't had a haircut in a while, so my old barber's gonna help me out. Me and Val actually met in the barbershop, and she used to give me undercuts all the time, but then she got too busy. So now I'm letting her create her own masterpiece, and we're gonna see how it turns out.
It's gonna turn out really good. Haven't cut in like 2 years.
It's been 2 years, huh?
I think it has.
What got you into the barbershop to begin with?
I think I just always grew up around hair because like my family, a lot of my family members are cosmetologists. And so I started cutting my brother's hair. My mom would cut my brother's hair, and then I ended up learning how to do it as well, just by watching her. And then all of my friends just kind of growing up, all my guy friends and stuff, I would just end up cutting their hair and like dyeing it with box dye. I don't think I miss it. Like I don't wake up and think like, God, I wish I could cut hair today. But if I'm watching you, then sometimes I'll like want to try it because of what you're saying. I'll like want to like see if I can apply it and do it.
Right. Do you think I'm a good client, like when you're cutting on me?
Not really.
Why?
You're just anxious. You asked me to look at details that I'm already looking at.
I don't want this to be too short. You know how I feel about this. Keep it kind of long, but you can keep it short here, but don't take this all the way up.
You just said I could create my own masterpiece.
With limitations.
All right. See this like hair, it's long. I think it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be part of your tail.
Yeah, so she wants me to turn this into a little side tail, so that's what we're gonna try and do with this back
You're
piece.
messing up my part.
Okay, I'm sorry. Ow.
Okay.
Why is it hurting?
I think it's your clips. There's some that are like coated, and this one's
It's all metal.
this one's not. It's on like the weirdest curve of your head.
What tools will you be using today? Let's test your tool knowledge.
Shit.
What have I taught you about the names?
I don't fucking know. Today we're going to be using the unreleased Black Effects, Sofie's custom babyless clipper. Kind of split.
I would go below.
Okay.
If you do this.
Like a unicorn. I can't believe a unicorn.
I know you like it kind of messy, like a rock star.
Let's see your rock star face.
Go, a little texture. What do you think? Okay, that wasn't supposed to be there. Okay. Alright. A couple flyaways. It's okay.
What do you think?
I messed up right here. And I don't know how to fix it, so.